Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
म्हाका पहिले कळपाक वन हे स्पीकर सर कोलगेट इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इशू ताणे रिप्लाय कित्याक रिप्लाय दिल्या आता
As per
पोस्टपोनमेंट
rules
कित्याक
of procedure, once the answer is given, postponement cannot be sought normally. Answer ताणे दिला दिवन postponement कसो घेता तो? Let him say that coal block, the answer is wrong.
then let him say he doesn't know about the coal block. He was not involved in this coal block.
No,
and then
no.
let him tell that I cannot.
Whether he is involved, not our concern. Speaker sir, answer dila, question has to be discussed. My assembly कित्याक घेता ही?
No, before answering
No.
answering the question,
तुम्ही
he has the right to postpone me.
answer post कशें केलें ताणें? 48 hours before he has posted the answer on this. How can he seek postponement of it? On what excuse?
स्पीकर सर रुल्स ऑफ प्रोसिजर म्हाका सांगा खंयच्या कायद्या अंडर तो सांगता की रिप्लाय दितकच तुका पोस्टपोन मारपा जाय.
Now, Speaker sir, under which rule
Yes.
can he seek postponement after an answer has been given
There has been replied.
and it has been replied? कित्या वयल्यान? ना, and what is it? Is it a state, some national security issue?
So कसलो भंय?
There is no other reason where you can seek postponement. Special circumstances are national security. आणि काहीच ना. Coal block is not national security. Here they are taking time to fix a person. तो कोण दिलीप बिल्ड कोणाक दिवंक सोदता तो?
बिकॉज सर दिलीप बिल कोणाक दिवन वाटेर आतां परत फाटल्यान येतात हे आनी रिप्लाय करूंक सोदना एकूच असेंब्ली मेळ्ळ्या. हो इश्यू आमी असेंब्लीच्या पयलीं
Sir, you
विचारना आनी हांवें
directly-
म्हणलां की इट इज अ स्कॅम म्हणून.
Speaker sir, special circumstances are national security. आणि काहीच ना. Coal block is not national security. Here they are taking time to fix a person. तो कोण दिलीप बिल्ड कोणाक दिवंक सोदता तो?
बिकॉज सर दिलीप बिल कोणाक दिवन वाटेर आतां परत फाटल्यान येतात हे आनी रिप्लाय करूंक सोदना एकूच असेंब्ली मेळ्या. हो इश्यू आमी असेंब्लीच्या पयलीं
Sir, you
विचारना आनी हांवें
directly-
म्हणलां की इट इज अ स्कॅम म्हणून.
कंप्लेन घाली सेंट्रल विजिलन्स कमिशनर.
असो
20 दिसांचे 7 दीस जाले, उरले डिस्टर्ब झाले.
So procedure.
आमकां रायट हा.
रुल्स ऑफ बिझनेस अँड प्रोसिजर सांगात खंयच्या अंडर तो
तूं
मागता
हत्या
तो.
करता. तुझ्या अंडर ही हत्या जाता. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकर सर, हाजे वर तर डिस्कशन तुमकां नाकाच. कोल ब्लॉकान स्कॅम आसाच आणि ब्लॅक लिस्टेड कन्सल्टंट घेतला. ब्लॅक लिस्टेड कन्सल्टंट घेतला एमडीओ
कसं?
डायरेक्ट फिक्स करपाक.
I am going for the session
आणि-
number 2.
आणि dealing-
Yes, Sarvagar.
No.
Yes, Sarvagar.
No.
Yes, Sarvagar. Question 2A. He has asked the postponement. No, you will get it. How's the agent for 15 minutes?